I'm Karen Smirchek, president and owner at Veriha Trucking. My father founded the company as a one-man show in 1978. We had 4 siblings in the family, and of that, we all had a choice of, do you want to be part of the family business? My brother had taken over the business while I was in college and went and worked in public accounting. Seeing the growth from 1 truck to 63 trucks when he took over, and then, him doubling the size of the business before I had come in really set the pace for what we wanted to do, of just really saying, what is the size that we need when it's supporting more than 1 family? So when I first came into trucking, I got to wear lots of hats. I got to fill in for maternity leave and customer service and do accounting in the evenings. And so becoming president really was exciting for me. I had this vision of what I could do if we had all departments collaborating together and learning each of the roles. I got to see where there was overlap and opportunity for efficiency.
Karen came in, she was more analytical and she was a very good leader. So it allowed me to step away from the desk.
In 45 years, there are people here that they're still here for 40 years already with me. It also says something about how my son and daughter treated them after I left because they stayed. So I'm real proud of that.
One thing that sets Veriha apart is we weren't gifted anything from Veriha. That my brother bought the business from my father, and then I bought 51% of the business from my brother. And so I feel like because of that, I have more skin in the game. I think what makes trucking great is the people that I get to work with. That the team at Veriha is absolutely wonderful. The way that trucking is embracing technology, it's just fun to see what's happened year over year from the 18 years that I've been in trucking full-time now through today. It's been a lot of fun. My long-term goal for Veriha is to be the safest fleet on the road. I want every driver to come home to their family after every trip on the road, whether that be for a home daily driver every day or for those regional drivers or OTR drivers that are out for 1 week to 2 weeks at a time. We're not going to jeopardize safety in any of the decisions that we're making throughout the day. Hey TCA, I am super bummed that I couldn't join you in Phoenix, Arizona this year. When you're watching this, I am going to be in Wilwela, Australia, supporting my daughter and the USA Water Ski Show team as they are competing for their World Championship in the coming days. With my daughter earning her spot on Team USA, John Culp graciously stepped in to be the chairman and did an amazing job throughout this year working on the TCA efforts with extra effort given to the elite fleets. I truly feel we are living through historic times right now with a new administration coming in and several changes happening. TCA continues to focus on items that require bipartisan support, such as hair follicle testing, predatory towing, and truck parking. I am simply honored to be the incoming chairman for TCA, that I didn't get here alone, and there were so many people who mentored me along the way. My first TCA event was when I was 21 years old and a junior in college. I went to the TCA conference annual convention for my spring break, and one of the education sessions I attended was on succession planning. And I really have a soft place in my heart for the education that TCA provides because it's really mentored me along the way. I want to thank each one of you for showing up. During our soft trucking market, it is so easy to not attend events, and you being here today just says how much you value the networking that can happen. Annual convention is truly one of the many education opportunities that TCA offers. I want to encourage each of you to stay involved in other education opportunities as well. From the upcoming safety and security session in June, the refrigerated conference in July, our fall business meetings and Call on Washington in September, and Bridging Border Barriers in November. Benchmarking and the TCA Profitability Program holds a special place in my heart as it has mentored me through my 20 years in the truckload industry. I would highly encourage each of you to take a look at those programs if you're not currently involved today. Other ways to get involved are by attending our committee meetings, which you don't have to be a member to attend, or just getting on a task force. The TCA focus going forward is going to be continued on our member value proposition including roadway safety, improving the driver job, fiscal sustainability, carrier financial stability, environmental stewardship, and industry image. TCA is a member of the Clean Freight Coalition and is committed to common sense policy and achievable standards. I'm sure each of you were excited as I was with CARB's January withdrawal of the Advanced Clean Fleet Rule, because we all know that zero emissions was unattainable. I am truly excited to be serving as the chairman of the Truckload Carriers Association. I want to encourage each of you to get involved, and I hope to see you at the Safety and Security meeting in Louisville this June.